going to do the Extreme Demon tier list. So, number 1, the Ultimate Phase. Cool level, it's a mega collab, but like, it's not like good or anything. So, I'll give it a C. Go into C. The next level is Hypersonic. Hypersonic is a cool level because I think it's the first Extreme Demon in the Sonic series, and like everybody knows about it, so I'm gonna put it in B. Next is Sakupen Hell. Sakupen Hell is cool because it's the level that you throw in Bloodbath. So I'm going to put it in A tier. Next is that Bloodlust or Bloodbath? That's Bloodlust. Bloodlust, I'm going to put in S tier because it's Bloodlust. And if you play Geometry Dash, you know. Okay, next is Yatagarasu. Yatagarasu, I don't know, it's just cool in a way. I'm just gonna give it an A. Go in A. Okay, next is Slaughterhouse. Slaughterhouse? Slaughterhouse. This level was literally beaten by a hacker. It was verified by a hacker. So, because of that, and then somebody beat it when the hacker beat it, or like soon after the hacker beat it. So, I'll give it, actually, it has a lot of aura. I'm gonna put it in S for Slaughterhouse. There's Sonic Wave. I'm gonna put it in A because it's Sonic Wave. Phobos, that goes in D. It's very ugly. And then Bloodbath is going to the highest position in S because Bloodbath is the most legendary demon of all time. That's the Extreme Demon tier list.